Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have for you a WiBargain HBA box. Now, full disclosure, I had to look up what HBA meant. I really didn't know. And it's health and beauty aids, so I'm really not sure what they're going to put in this box, but it's not as big as I was expecting, so we'll just have to see how it goes. Without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, guys, so I did already slice the box open, but it's not that big, so I can show it to you. I mean, this is how big the box is that came. Not really sure what to expect, but it sounds like it could be some type of pills. I'm guessing vitamins or something, because you can kind of, if I shake it, you guys hear that? I'm just saying, it sounds like it might be a lot of pills or something like that. We'll have to see how this goes. All right, let me pop this bad boy open. Oh, I paid $65 for this box, but it is normally $75. But when you check out on WiBargain, they always have these deals that pop up, and normally I just click no thanks, but I don't know, I was in a buying mood, I guess, and I went ahead and got this one, so let's see what's inside. A lot of pills. All right, let's just start here. We have Enfamil prenatal vitamins. So there's those. I have no use for these. I have my son, and I won't be having any more. So we'll pass those along. Ooh, when's the expiration date on this stuff? The expiration is March 1st of 2022, so they'll still be good for someone to use, not me. Okay, so we have these Imperial hand sanitizing wipes. Okay, these are good to have, you know, like in your purse and stuff like that. There's 8 of them, so that's fine. All right, what is this? What is this? Crazy Cleanse hand sanitizer was on sale for $2.09. So, you know, there's that. I will definitely use it. I mean, I use hand sanitizer all the time. Okay, so we have some Aller Life sleep medication stuff. When's the expiration dates on these? Aren't you? Like, I'm just curious. I don't know. It doesn't have one on here. It just has a lot number. So, here it is, by the way. Sorry, guys. There it is. I don't know anyone off the top of my head in my family or whatever that has trouble sleeping, but if I do, I'll give that to them. So, now we have these Aller Life Energize. Ooh, I could use some energy. Designed to promote energy and support mental clarity. All right, again, no, you know, no expiration date, but, you know, there it is. Awesome, right? Okay, so there's that. There are 2 of those. So we'll set that one there. Good Foundation Pain Relieving Cream. I might try that out. Expires 2 of 22. So it appears nothing has expired so far. So, I mean, that's cool. I'll keep this. It's a foot relief cream. All right, I'll keep that one. Okay, what is this? Flonase Allergy Relief. Okay, again, I don't know if anybody... Expires February 2022. I don't know if anybody has allergy issues, you know, in my family or whatever, but, you know, if they do, they can have it. Okay, so Vision Shield Eye Health. Okay, so this just supports eye health. Expires 4 of 2022. Here it is. You know, I actually should wear glasses. I don't. I have them. Just never put them on my face. Yeah, so there's that. Maybe that'll help me not need them at all. Okay, natural fruit. Oh, it's a multivitamin for women. Yes, please. And it's gummies. Well, that's kind of cool. So you get 60 bites, and that was awesome. I'll be back as soon as I figure out where that fell, and I'll pick it up. Alright guys, sorry about that. Slipped right out of my hand, and I wasn't going to try to look for it while I was still filming. Okay, so this expires 1 of 2022, so I will be able to use these. That's awesome. Who doesn't need a multivitamin? Fruit nonetheless. I don't know how they'll taste though. Oh my gosh, can you guys see these? I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but they're like square. I don't know. We'll have to see how that goes. All right, what do we got here? So we have a Clorox Zero Splash Bleach Pen. All right, that's cool. I'm down for that, for sure, for sure. I think that's a very awesome thing to put in there. I don't know what that has to do with health, though. Whatever. Kids First Multivitamin. Oh, that's cool, because I was going to get Noah started on some vitamins, if I can convince him to do it. Children ages 4 to 13. He'll be 4 in like 3 weeks. close enough, right? Expires October 2021. Well, he better get started on these. I don't know if I'll eat these or not, guys. I mean, I'm going to try it. It doesn't hurt to try, right? So, yeah, there's those. All right, what's this? This is Pretty Feet and Hands Rough Skin Remover. It's an exfoliant. All right, I'm down for the exfoliant. Here you go. All right, that's cool. I'll definitely give this a try for myself. We'll see how it goes. Will it make my feet pretty? Let's see. All right, what is this? This is antibacterial hand wipes. Oh, they got a little dirty. It looks like you need to wipe the package before you can even use them. I'm just saying. But yeah, there's this. That's fine. Okay, what do we have here? Ibuprofen. It's clearance to $3. I'll give this to Noah's dad. He'll like this. So, let me clarify. It's not that he'll like this. He'll use this. Let's clarify that. All right, so ibuprofen. That's fine. Okay, it looks like we got 200 milligrams ibuprofen. We'll give those to him. Awesome. So then we got some Bone Strong soft gels. Expires October 2021. I mean, I want my bones to be strong. I mean, does it hurt to take this additional stuff? I don't know. I worked for GNC for 3.5 years. I was a store manager, and you know what? I don't remember a darn thing that I learned. Awesome. So, I mean, I can look into this. Whatever. Okay, what do we got here? Flintstone Fruit Bites. Another one for kids. What's the ages? 4 and older. So, yeah, I can definitely give these to my Noah if I want to eat them. Expires. They're expired. They expired 5/21. No, they're not expired yet, but they expire this month. I don't know. I mean, the worst thing, honestly, the one thing, here they are, guys, by the way, Flintstone vitamins. They're little gummies. Honestly, though, it is safe to take a lot of this stuff past the expiration date because it just loses its potency. So I'm not a medical person, but I know that that's probably the case. Well, at least it was when I worked at GNC. That's what they said. It just loses its potency. It's not like it's going to kill you if you take it. Don't take my word for it, anybody out there, but I'm still going to use these because, I mean, they expire this month, so whatever. They'll be fine. All right, what else do we got? Allergy relief. Bam. So, you know, there's that. I don't know if I have anybody with allergies. We'll have to see. Okay, more women's multivitamins. So, like, I'm totally set. I'm saying. I'm running out of places to put stuff. What do we got here? Oh, more of the energized stuff. I already showed those to you guys. More antibacterial hand wipes. I already showed those to you too. What's this? Fertility reproductive support. I don't need that anymore. But, you know, maybe somebody I know is trying to have that. Okay, so we have some more of the Purell little hand wipey thingamabobbers. Awesome. Okay, what is this? Pro Regularly Daily Probiotic. Oh, helps with 6 bowls of 6 bowls. Not bowels. I'm sorry, guys. 6 bowls of shredded wheat. It's the same benefit as that. I'm sorry, guys. Wow. Okay, so yeah, that's fine. All right, what is this? Evening Primrose Oil. It's for women's health. I forget what this is beneficiary for, but yeah, I mean, I might take that. I might not. We'll have to see. I'll have to look up and see what it's good for. I totally forget, but I mean, it's not going to hurt. Okay, so we have some more Bone Strong stuff. Awesome. Whatever. And I have 2 of these. It's the last thing in here, guys. Oh, it's a lice treatment. So there you go. You know, if anybody has a problem with that, I do not. I don't know when they expire, but or does it expire? I don't know. Anyways, it's good for lice treatment. So there's 2 of those. I mean, maybe I can donate that to like the school or something. I don't know. At any rate, am I impressed with this box? No. Is the value there? Yes. I don't know what I was expecting, to be honest with you, but I mean, this isn't bad. It's fine. A lot of the stuff I'll get a use for. I'll be able to use myself and or find someone else who can use the stuff. So it's fine. You know, whatever. Will I get this one again? No. But at least we know what comes in this box now. So for those of you interested in this kind of thing, you can definitely grab one of these from WiBargain. I will have everything linked for their website in the description box below. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! and on this video, I have for you a WiBargain HBA Box. Was that weird? Box. Should I do that? Should I not do that? Let's try it again. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Whatever Wednesday, and on this video, I have for you an WiBargain HBA.